remove this passenger seat, and it wasn't easy as I thought. As you see, I broke those clips. Those were sitting like this, and for some reason they break when I push. Anyway, I'm going to order them new. The seat is off, and I'm going to install the new seats. As you see, that's how it looks like right now. So guys, when you try to put this seat back on, always begin with this side, going like this side, as you see here, going inwards, and just put it sideways and then tilt it the other way. That way you can't scratch much of the car and it'll be connected, as you see here. I will just lift these seats right up so I'm now connected. Hi guys, so the driver's seat is inside. The reason I didn't take the seat inside from this side is because of the steering wheel and the risk of damaging it. So what I did with my brother, when he helped me, we opened this door, and I was sitting inside while he was lifting and pushing it from this side. With that thing, it's much easier to get the seats inside without scratching anything. So now for me is it just to connect the seats and unbolt it, and everything will be done on the front, and we will begin in the rear later. Thank you. Guys, I haven't finished with my seats right now. As you see here, I have a slight problem with this Windows folding system, so I will take this part and change it next time. The seats are complete. Looks really beautiful right now, and I think this match this color really good. If you see my car, I think the brown, marine brown color matches the car really good. The next thing I'm going to do is changing the armrests. There are some plastic parts that is holding this one. It's just to pry this off like this. I already have pried this off, and you can see some tabs there, so you need to just pop it up. And the same way goes behind here. There are some few screws, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's the screws you need to unscrew, and they will just get out. So guys, I'm going to just unscrew this right now. There's one bolt. Second bolt. So guys, it isn't that straightforward as I thought it would be. The reason is because this tab is not going inside. So what I need to do is remove this one, this folding system, so I can press this down. I can do it without, actually maybe do it without removing this one, but I think I will damage something, so I will not take the risk to do it. So what I will do is just remove this one and just press it back and then put it back on. I have managed to put them on. It's working as should. The only thing I need to put it back on is those things I removed from here. It's just to press down. That's done. Like this, it's done. Now it's just like that. So guys, now it's almost done in the front. The only thing is left is the rear section that I will be maybe doing tomorrow when the weather is better, because today is really cold and it's windy and it's blowing, and if you see better, it's not that good as I hoped. As you can see, the weather is really bad. It's starting to snow. So from today, I think I'll just and we'll begin tomorrow for the rest. Yes guys, after installing the seats, I got a fault regarding the fault in the headrest. I think it should be the airbag is blown in the headrest, so I have ordered a new one. So hopefully I will get it in some few days, about 2 days, and I will be fitting it, and I hope the airbag that's come in the car will be going away after installing. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and press the like button if you like the video. Thank you.